The best Velar we've had all year. Just arrived. D300 Panoramic HSE colour combination, outstanding. Fuji white, full factory black pack, but it's got the 22-inch wheels. It's got these £3 option factory deployable side steps. It comes with air suspension. Actually, look at the interior colour. Windsor leather, ivory, HSE, upgraded interior. Seats are fully electric, heated, cooled, massage to the front. Memory seats to the front, Meridian surround sound stereo system, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, opening sunroof. While you look up here, look at the roof rails, detachable tow bar, full black styling package, loads of space. This car has everything you'd want from a Velar plus more, and it's 300 horsepower. So D300, the better engine, it is phenomenal, and it's just a very rare car. 2020, 35,000 miles. It will not last the night. Thanks for watching.